You know what? I've always loved talking about unique smartphones. A while back, I used to make videos about Samsung. But then they started making the same looking phones over and over again, so I just lost interest. But this smartphone, well, it forced me to make a video about it. Because while it looks absolutely stunning, there is one major flaw that might actually hurt its sales. Other than that, this smartphone might become your favorite as well. Yes, I'm talking about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, which is launching next month. Now, the biggest highlight of this phone, well, it's insanely slim. But to achieve this ultra slim design, Samsung had to compromise on something really important, which is the battery life. Yes guys, battery life might be a major issue with this phone. The Galaxy S25 Edge has multiple times so far been rumored to arrive with the smallest battery in the Galaxy S25 family, smaller even than the Galaxy S25 itself. And now, this has unfortunately been confirmed through a certification in Denmark. This reveals the fact that the Galaxy S25 Edge will ship with a battery having a rated capacity of 3786 mAh, which will translate into a marketed typically capacity of 3900 mAh. And that is in fact 100 mAh less than what the much smaller Galaxy S25 got. The 5.84 mm thickness that was reached by sacrificing some longevity, on the other hand, will be the main attraction of the phone. Anyway, the price of the Galaxy S25 Edge has also been leaked. Earlier reports suggested that it would be more expensive than the Galaxy S25 Ultra, but according to the new leaks, that's not the case. In fact, this phone will be cheaper than the Ultra and will be priced the same as the regular Galaxy S25. So apart from the battery, I think this phone will look absolutely stunning because of its slim design. It will also attract people through the same specs available on the Ultra variant and also will be much lower price tag than the Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I guess this phone is going to sell really good. So what do you think about this upcoming beautiful looking smartphone of Samsung? Okay, let me know your thoughts on it in the comment section below. And as always, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.